kakayanin ko ba to? Grabe, ang daming pagsubok para lang tumugtog sa Reno. Pagod kami, puyat kami, giniginaw kami, lahat na ng pwedeng ibato sa amin, ibinato na. Will we make it on time? Please help us.
Yeah, I'm moving at the speed of sound. I got both hands off the wheel.
We overlooked checking the weather report, which led to our current situation. We've been asked to turn back and not continue our trip to Reno due to several accidents caused by heavy snowfall. If conditions improved, there's a slight chance we might be allowed to proceed. But as of now, at 11 a.m., everything is uncertain. After traveling for 9 hours, we find ourselves stuck. Up to this point, our producer JT and Anthony have no clue what's going on, but here we go.
Hi, Paco!
How are you?
Is it 1 p.m. now?
Yeah. Apparently sinara nila yung daan temporarily
Oh!
because of the rain.
There you know that's the handle.
Yeah.
Yung nagkakarinig sa bahay.
So we're gonna have to, andito kami sa foothill, we're gonna have to wait it out, sabi nila.
Okay. Are they asking you to put on snow tires?
No.
Okay, that's still good then.
Yeah. Pero may tala kaming chains. We brought chains.
Okay. Alright, guys. See ya!
Okay.
See ya. Bye!
Bye. So guys, yun ang problema namin. Hindi kami pinapapasok sa 80 or sa kahit na anong way papuntang Reno. Kaya waiting tayo. Mamayang gabi na yung show ng Playback Jukebox. And yet, stranded kami. Chismosa. Sa lahat ng mga daughter ko, siya ang pinaka-chismosa.
You thought that's bad.
I only have one daughter. So shit.
It takes one to know one.
Do you want to say hi to anybody? Paano may girlfriend mo tong batang to?
Why is this being posted?
Of course.
Oh, okay, I see it now. I understand it now.
So, papagas muna tayo kasi aray ko, stranded kami dito. O nga pala, kami ni Miss Jaja, dahil pauwi kami ng Philippines to spend Christmas and New Year, ito yung last weekend namin with the kids that we have. Kaya sinama namin si Kaylen at saka si Raiden para makapag-enjoy. Pero oh my God, malamig na, umuulan pa, wala pa kami masyadong tulog. Galing kami sa show sa Pechanga, and Pechanga to Reno, according to this map, is this long.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
Oh, tama nga. Sinuwi ko nga. Ang tiyatsa.
Wala, nasa bahay, nag-ready na.
What do you mean? Para bukas?
O, para mamaya. Basta kami mamaya, di ba?
Oo. Akala ko ba matutulog pa kayo?
Hindi na.
Ah, ganun?
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Teka lang ha, natapos ko lang tapos.
Ano ba yan? Para mamaya?
Oo.
Kaylin! Love your shirt.
Morning! Gutom lahat. Lunch time na eh. Imbes na makakakain kami ng, sarap sana eh, malamig. Kakain ka ng sinigang na paboy. Wala.
You want some popcorn?
Sure. Aray ko. My butt.
Lunch, no? Mamaya konti, okay na yung ano, tingnan mo sa weather.
Also, itero lang natin.
Yeah, so we're gonna find a place to eat.
Place to eat lang, tambay.
Just building chairs.
We going back home or going to Reno?
We're going to Reno. Grabe guys, nagsusnow daw sa Reno ngayon. According to people. So kailangan may snow, kailangan may snow chains. Buti lang sina Benji, bumili ng chains for the vehicle. Kaya, this is good. Hello ladies, how are you my ladies? Nakakatawa tong dalawang to. Talagang That's a big troll and little troll.
All of them went down.
The trolls, both of them. Yeah.
You're the oldest.
Feeling ko pagtanda ko, mabubuli ako nitong dalawang to eh. Hanap tayo ng ng makakainan na may masarap na coffee, na restaurant, sit down. Iyan ang masarap hanapin na restaurant. Talagang tanggal stress at okay. Hala, sige. Maglampungan pa kayo. Oh, nako. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Sila yung namin, love team namin. Kaya
I spent way too much money.
kung agree kayo sa kanila, mag-like kayo at mag-subscribe. Mga walang tulog.
my favorite.
Remember when we saw that spider in the room?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
It was making
I love you. I'm gonna miss you. We're going home to the Philippines kasi. So, hindi siya kasama.
Yeah, I think so.
Aray ko! Don't ka sa lahat. Don't pitch, aray ko. Kaisan ka lang sa lahat. Don't pitch mapuwet. Mga bata talaga. Oh, dito tayo sa Lumberjacks. Baka masarap ang coffee. Ano kaya pagkain dito? Parang Denny's kaya.
It's raining. We're in Nevada.
It's raining. We're not in Nevada.
Sounds so.
Still California.
California.
Let's go.
Go, guys. Oh my gosh, what you waiting for? For me?
Lovebirds in Cali. Let's go. We gotta make do with what we have, and right now, this is what we have. Itong dalawang to talaga. Buti na lang, meron kaming love team. At sweet nilang dalawa, di ba? And let's get everybody situated. Coffee would be nice. And are you excited? Oh. Ayan guys.
So wait, the producers are saying that it's snowing there?
Eto na. Pagbukas pa lang ng pinto. Ang bango. Amoy na amoy ko na yung kape na to. Parang Dennis.
And also, I
Yung
was at
vibe.
school the other day. There were these stairs, and then on the side there were slopes. And then, like, I slipped off the slope, but I caught myself. But I was in after school, so
Someone says hi.
I
Cute talaga. Talagang sarap alaskay nitong ba. Uy, Christmas na. Merry Christmas! Ano? Is it good?
They say the sun will come out, but I still can't see past the clouds.
Thank you, Miss Kim.
Lightning,
You too.
lightning.
Okay na for 10 people. Numbers at parang $20 each.
2 hours and
So 2 hours and 30 minutes from where we are to get to where we have to go. At this point, wala kaming kaalam-alam that bad things are about to happen. Heavy na yung snow, kaya si JJ pagdadrive-in namin, no? JJ, si JJ. Uber na lang ako. Bathroom ka, baby? At this point, makikipagsapalaran ulit kami sa daan because there really is nothing much that we could do. Bye! Thanks, Papa B.
while you're, may weights ka?
Ginamlot.
Ah, okay.
Mukha lang kaming masaya pero sa totoo lang, frustrated kami, pagod. Well, hindi na kami gutom. Busog na. Pero yung weather, lahat-lahat, may mga bata kasi. So, hindi namin pwedeng ipahalata na kinakabahan na kami. Pero itong si Kaylen, nakakaramdam na yan. God. Dito rin kami na checkpoint bago mag-lunch. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin sila nagpapapasok. Paano na? Ito yung mga anxious na mga moments. And it's not fun. It's not fun at all. Okay, pinaikot kami at may dadaanan daw kaming kalsada to get us to the 80.
Dapat diretso, no? Oo. Diretso din. No. Put your hands down.
Naliligaw kami. At this point, we've been on the road for more than 10 hours. And it's nice to have someone by your side who believes in you. And this is where Miss Jaja shines talaga.
No, thank you. I'm not even. Dang it, the power of love.
At habang busy si Patrick at si Benji trying to find an effective route to get us to our destination, si JJ busy sa kanyang bagong girlfriend na si Sharon. Ako naman, tinitinan ko kung paano kami makakagawa ng effective na arrival nang hindi kami maiipit sa mga fans, sa mga producers, at sa sarili namin. So, dito kami ngayon sa 174 trying to find the route to get to Reno. At this point, akala namin okay na, pero things just turned from bad to worse. Maglalagay kami ng chain. Backward, forward lang yan. Let's go. We're 70 miles away. Pero, ang bagal namin at ang daming checkpoint. At ngayon, kailangan magpalit kami ng chains. Mukhang alam ko yung ginagawa ko at sinasabi ko, pero sa totoo lang, hindi. Oh my God, I feel it. Wow, malamig siya talaga. Tapos umuulan pa. Guys, yung mga puti-puti na yan, ice yan. Sa lakas ng ulan, mas maganda rito magpalit ng chains sa ilalim ng tulay, tulad kung saan nandito yung truck na to. Ay nako, at least kahit bobito kami magpalit ng chains, hindi kami mababasa. Puta, ganun. Ganun din pala. Dito sana kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Kaso, ganun talaga, tatawa ka na lang dahil wala eh. Ayan, style namin. Parang mali yung ginagawa namin. May expert sa daan, siya raw magkakabit kaya... Okay. Magkano? 40. Kakabit niya? Okay. Kasi naman. Mukha tayong kano. $40 ikakabit niya yung chains. Pwede na. $40.
Imagine 40.
Here we go. Kausap ng mama si Patrick.
The chains are here. Yeah. On the front of this big truck is my pickup. Can you pull up next to it? Okay.
Aalisin chains lang tayo.
Kaya ngayon lahat tayo sabay-sabay matututo. Let's go, boys. You gotta watch how it's done. This is $40. I mean, my kids, my sons have to learn how to do this. Come on, Raiden. Ito ang pinakamagandang way para tatlo kami matuto ng pagkabit ng chains. So it's raining, pero these boys. He makes it look easy, pero komplikado rin pag first time mo. Ano yung nasa labas, ano yung dapat sa loob, sa mo ikakabit, lahat yun. The Asian problem. Because there's no snow in the Philippines. Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas to you.
Buti na lang kamo, nandito si sir para tumulong sa amin.
Oh, so that thing goes at the back. Okay.
Yeah.
Basang-basa kami ng ulan, wala pa kaming mga gloves.
So I was right on that one.
Pero at this point, whether I was right, it doesn't matter. Kasi itong knowledge na to is beyond all of us. We were going to risk it thinking tama yung ginagawa namin. Pero
Can you have him roll down the window?
yon, bibigyan na niya ng instructions si Patrick para umabante, umatras, para ma-secure yung chains around the tire. Grabe, ang lakas sobra ng ulan.
It's too much. Go inside, both of you. Too much. Huh? You're gonna get wet.
It was at this moment when we realized that
Chains might be too small.
yung chains na binili namin, $250. Mukhang hindi pa ito yung para dito sa sasakyan na to. So, oh my God.
So, meron siyang legit argument kasi wala sa sukat yung tire size namin. So ngayon naniningil siya ng 130 para maglagay ng chain. Para sa chain at saka 40 para ilagay yung chain. So binayaran na ni Benji yung chain for 250. Tapos itong sisingilin niya is 170. We are now at 400. 400 for chains.
Yes, you don't. It's really cool.
Inside, go back.
Wala din yung size ng yun.
Pero masusoli pa ba natin yan? Papabidi na.
Oh, sasabihin, ito, mali yung binigay ko.
Okay. Why do we need chains?
Oh, it's snowy and icy over the top in Donner Summit.
Now, how fast can we run with chains?
25 miles an hour.
Nothing more than that.
Yep.
Because we're playing video games.
This is cooler than playing video games. This is adulting.
Mabasa siya ng ulan, it's okay, hindi ko binibaby yung mga boys ko.
Okay. Can
Okay.
we back up?
Back up.
Oh, yeah. It's perfectly. Let's see. Right there. Up. Forward a little bit. Forward a little bit. Up. Stop. Go back. Back a little bit. Right there. Up. Back. More. More back. More back.
Nako, napaka-komplikado naman pala nito.
Come on. Right there. Up. Okay, now forward. Forward a little bit.
Buti na lang, nandito si Manong Puti. Kung hindi namin alam ang gagawin namin dito.
One more. More. A little bit more. Right there. Right there. Heart. Heart.
Si Patrick, syempre siya yung nagdadrive. Si Raiden, bata pa. Pero nasan si JJ?
It's 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Tapos we have a show tonight and we're all
Wet, tired, and sleepless.
Okay, let's go. Backwards.
backwards.
a little bit. Full rotation. Full rotation. Can we have him back up and get off the road a little more so I'm not so close to traffic?
Grabe. Nakaka-stress talaga lahat ito. First time na naka-experience kami ng ganito together as a group. Pero bilib ako sa resilience ng lahat.
Let's go. Okay. Nakapagpakabit kami ng chains, na-hold up kami, pero yung nakikita niyong blinking lights, checkpoint yan. Sana makapasa, but we can't move faster than 25 miles per hour. At the rate we're going, pagdating namin na magsa-set up kami, magsa-soundcheck and tutugtog na kami. Wala nang ligo-ligo siguro.
Are we going straight?
Yeah. Bakit?
Manipis.
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 Oo nga.
So yung chains na nakakabit sa amin, mas manipis na klase kesa dun sa binili namin na mali.
So guys, yung ingay na naririnig nyo, yan yung chains na umahambalos sa asfalto. Ayan guys, white Christmas na, snow. Na-predict ko na to eh.
It's already snowing here.
Wow! Oh my god!
You want to get sick?
Just wanna say you're all mine. No matter how the times you say this just wanna say you're all mine.
Bumili na ako ng hoodie at saka ng thermal socks. Hindi ko kakayanin to. Ako lang yata ang naka-t-shirt ngayon. Super lamig.
Alright. 52, 63.
Pwede na. Thank you, sir.
Alright, take care.
Merry Christmas.
11-7.
Mahuhulog pa ako rito, guys. Ha!
Wala thoughts? Wala pa?
Tigas talaga eh. Tigas.
Oh my God!
So I get some.
Okay, what?
What?
No!
Seryoso?
Oh my God!
Diba? Tigas na. Oo, matigas pala.
Guys, kahit gaano ka kahat na lalaki, matindi pa rin talaga ang snow.
How was it?
It's so cold.
We had a snowball fight.
You did? How was it?
It was fun.
Are you cold?
Not anymore. Except my feet. I can't feel them.
Uy, that's bad.
I just joking. I can feel my feet.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can move them also.
Okay. Warm it up. Warm it up. It's bad. They'll have to cut your feet if...
Yeah, if it turns blue. Frostbite.
Yeah. Ito guys, seryoso na. Hindi na biro to. Halos zero visibility na kami. And yet, the show must go on. Ay, sumabot kami. My God. Daming ganap. Ngayon kailangan namin mag-set up. Yung mga tao, ano na, naiinip na. Pero, we are late but we do have a show. Kayo, thank you very much for staying. We're gonna have to do this now. May aral na mapupulot sa nangyari. We showed our kids and the rest of the team that we will not give up. Whatever the circumstance is, we move forward. And when we move forward, magical things do happen. And the payout exponentially increases. Kaya laban lang. Kailangan maging matatag against all odds. At dapat nahulog pa yung camera. Talaga naman, oh!